taking away from people some of the most marvelous fulfillments a man like me can have. This absence of humanity is a fulfillment so graceful that even God would understand if he invented them.
Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going outside to paint on these beautiful shells. Today is such a beautiful day, so let's enjoy the sun and paint. I got these oyster shells from some family friends after a picnic and I cleaned them so I can paint on them. I've never painted on shells before, so I'm really excited. I actually saved 6 of them and I'm only painting 3 in this video. So if you like this video, I might even do a part 2. My summer break just started and I feel so much more inspired to go outside more in this beautiful weather. Everything in the Netherlands is slowly going back to normal. Restaurants are opening up, movie theaters are opening up. Social distancing isn't really an issue anymore, so I can see my friends again. And I actually just graduated from my study styling design, so I'm really excited to open this new chapter in my life. I'm starting my new study, content creation, in September, and I'm so excited to learn more new things. I love creating videos and capturing moments and expressing my creativity, and it would be my dream job to do that every day. I'm currently really inspired. I have so many video ideas, but I feel like I'm a little stuck in a creative block. I've talked about this in my latest journal video. I'm a big perfectionist and I'm constantly evolving when it comes to creativity, but I've been trying to figure out what videos inspire people and really have an impact. The reason that I'm telling you this is because I want to keep things real on my channel. On YouTube, everyone's lives seem so aesthetic and productive and perfect, but the truth is it can be a real struggle. What really helps me is seeing you guys' comments and talking to you guys on DM. I am so grateful for the way that YouTube has affected my life. I've grown so much more confident from it, and I never expected to even reach over 100 subscribers. But I've worked hard and I've learned that if you do something that really means a lot to you, you can inspire others, and that's exactly what I want to do with my channel. Thank you all so much for watching my painting video. Let me know if you want to see a part 2. I just wanted to take a moment to say that every time you leave a comment, respond to my poll, or DM me on Instagram, or just interact with me, it makes me feel so grateful. It really truly boosts my confidence, and it really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.